Bravo 6964, 7864.
I grew up in Fairfax County, so this is my hometown, and I've always had an interest in public safety as a career. I always also wanted to work in the helicopter division, and Fairfax County was one of the few agencies that had its own helicopter program. The helicopters that we fly are pretty much state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line aircraft. We have quite a bit of equipment on there that's high technology, very sophisticated equipment. One of the main pieces of equipment that we utilize is a thermal imaging camera, or FLIR. This equipment allows us to see in the dark, essentially. We utilize that camera to look for missing children, missing Alzheimer's patients, as well as to look for suspects who have fled the scene of a crime.
Fairfax County Police Department is a great department to work for. Not only do we have a lot of assets, the best equipment, really dedicated professional people that we work with, very motivated, but we also have a very supportive community. They're out there, backing us, doing things for us. Most of the people that we meet, most of the people that we run into while we're working are really good, honest, hardworking people, and it really makes you proud to be part of this community.